Hello dear phasmatic friends. Today we start with volumes. What are the main formulas for finding volumes? Let me tell you, it is very easy if you see this subject like today we're going to see. First of all, we have to say that the formula for a cube, a rectangular prism, and a cylinder is the same. You must see, if you have the same base and cover, it is the same formula. Here I have a square as a base and a square covering that shape. Here I have a rectangle, also a rectangle here, a circle and a circle. Then the formula is volume equals area of the base times height. Area of the base times height. Area of the base times height. Very simple to memorize it. Now we are going to see. Here, if you find the area of the base, if I just multiply it by the height, and that's it. If you find the area of the base, but here it is different. It is a rectangle, not a square like here. You multiply it by the height, and that's it. And here the area of the base, a circle, and you multiply it by the height, and that's it. It is very, very fast and easy. So, for instance, if you have here 5 centimeters, you will have here 5 centimeters, and you will have here 5 centimeters, because it is a cube, and the sides of a cube are all the same. Then the volume will be, if we replace the numbers there, the area of the square of the base. Area of the base is a square, and the area of a square is the length times the length. So the area of the base, length times length, and here it is written times height. So we replace the numbers. Volume equals to 5 times 5 times 5 equals 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125 centimeters cube. It is very important. If you are calculating volume, you are going to use centimeters cube, miles cube, inches cube, because you are thinking about small cubes of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Okay? Now, for the rectangular prism, it's the same formula. For the cylinder, the same formula. And if you have a base with a pentagon, it's the same formula. A base with an hexagon, the same formula. If you have the same base and the same cover, the formula is the same. Here we're going to write the volume equals to the area of a rectangle is length times width. And here is written times height. Then we're going to replace the numbers. For instance, if we have here 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 20 centimeters, and here is written times height. Then we're going to replace the numbers. For instance, if we have here 10 centimeters and 5 centimeters and 20 centimeters, length times width of the rectangle, because the area of this rectangle is length times width. 10 times 5 times the height of this prism, 20. And the answer is 1000 centimeter cube. Now, we're going to see for the cylinder. For the cylinder, it is the same formula. We write volume equals. And remember, the area of the base, here we have a circle, is pi times radius squared. And here it is written times height. So the area of the base, pi times radius squared. And here times height. Okay. For instance, if we have a radius of 10 centimeters and a height of 50 centimeters, we're going to replace the values. Volume equals to 3.1416 pi times 10 squared times 50. And the answer is 15,708 centimeters cube. It's very important. It is not squared, because that is for the surfaces, and it is not just centimeters, because that is for the perimeter. And also remember that 10 squared is 10 times 10. It is not 10 times 2. No, 10 times 10. And that's it. So please remember, where you have a shape with the same base and cover, the same formula. The area of the base times height. That's it. You will remember it for the entire life. And it is very, very easy for you. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to our channel. Tell it to a friend. Thank you very much. See you next time.